Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are discussing SA510 initial audit engagement or opening balances. Okay, so as usual, before going to the explanation, I'm going to read the question. So the question is on your screen, and I'm going to read the question. Okay, yeah. What is the objective of the auditor with respect to the opening balances when conducting an initial audit engagement as per the relevant SA? So they have given the clue opening balance and initial audit engagement. So we have to remember that it is SA 510. Okay, yeah. Or measures PQR and Associates are the statutory auditor of TUV Limited for the financial year 2020 and 21. They have been appointed as statutory auditor of TUV Limited for the first time. What is the objective of the engagement partner in terms of SA 510? Okay, yeah, this is the question. Now I'm going to read the explanation related to opening balances. Okay, yeah. So the explanation is here. So, what is initial audit engagement? Initial audit engagement refers to the engagement which is either the financial statement for the prior period were not audited. So prior period means the previous year accounting uh, entries are known as prior period items. Okay, so the financial statement for the prior period were not audited. Okay, prior period financial statement are not audited, or the financial statement of the prior period were audited by the predecessor auditor. Predecessor auditor means the auditor of another firm who did the audit of the current firm. I mean, if X is the firm, X is the company which we are operating, then another the auditor from the another firm is going to audit our firm. Okay, so that's known as who is known as predecessor auditor. The financial statement of the prior period were audited by the predecessor auditor, or the financial statement for the prior period, previous accounting period, one was not audited. In those two cases, initial audit engagement we considered as initial audit engagement. Okay, I'm sorry for the mistakes. Okay, yeah. Now, what are the objective of the auditor related to initial audit engagement? So that is the question asked in previous papers. So I'm going to read that. So in conducting initial audit engagement, the objective of the auditor with respect of opening balance is to obtain sufficient appropriate audit evidence about whether you listen carefully, sorry, opening balances contain misstatement that materially affect the current period financial statement. Opening balance contain misstatements. Opening balance contain misstatement that could materially affect the current period financial statement. Okay, opening balance is usually we are brought down from previous year, uh, previous year, previous year or previous month um, closing balance, right? So opening balance contain misstatement that materially affect the current period financial statement. Okay, and appropriate accounting policies reflected in the opening balances have been consistently applied on the current period's financial statement. Appropriate accounting policies reflected in the opening balance have been consistently applied in the current period financial statement, or changes thereto are properly accounted for and adequately presented and disclosed. Okay, you need to remember these 2 points. That's it. Okay, yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.